Good morning everyone, Tracy here from Uniquely Creative showing you what is in our gorgeous new creative card kit. First of all, you've got some Uniquely Creative crystal rhinestones. There is a packet of Crafternoon collectibles in case of craft. There is some satin white ribbon, 10 cards and envelopes, and the Crafternoon paper pad, which is full of bright, beautiful, crafty, awesome ideas. This is also in the kit. This is actual size images of the cards, and if I just take one of these and show you, this card here, whoops, you can see, is exactly the same size as this card here. So if you measure from here to here, that is the same as from here to here, so you can make exact copies of these cards that Tania has designed for you. Tania Ridgwell is the designer, and she's created some gorgeous little cards using the Crafternoon for all your sewing friends, for all your crafty friends, all your artist friends, and just anyone. Look how just bright and beautiful they are. Really love this collection. It's really bright and great just to put some little cute cards in your stash. So this is now available on our website for $25. Visit us at www.uniquelycreative.com.au. Thanks guys, till next time. Bye.